All right, y'all, it's Mr. Stewart again. Happy Monday. Hopefully, so I've obviously recorded these between parent-teacher conferences, and hopefully by now the trial went great. I'm sure it has. I believe in myself just as much as I believe in you guys, and you guys are great. And I hope that everything Friday was great. I better not have any names, or else I'm gonna be one mad Mr. Stewart. So continue today with a great day, because I'm assuming that Friday was awesome, as it should be. Fridays are always a fun day. So, picking up with Monday, we're starting with 5-2, like we did the last time with the practice buddies. I want you to try your best, and on Tuesday, we'll get everything figured out and make sure it's okay. So just like you did, on Friday, I want you to just watch me. I'm going to give you some methods of the madness here. We're dealing with estimation. 5-2 is all about estimating quotients with 2-digit divisions. That sounds like fun, estimating. So estimating, we all know, is to get numbers that are clean on our eyes so that we can divide. So I'm going to start off here by showing you how to do number 16. Number 16 was right here. We know that's 540 divided by 61. Come over to the board. Right here. Selfie style. 540 divided by 61. We know that 540 is fine. That can be divided by 6. We're going to leave it. 61, we know, is almost 60. So now we can do simple math. 54 divided by 6. We know that 9 times 6 is 54. So the inverse would be 54 divided by 6. We know that would be 9. And that's it, because they both share a 0. We can cancel those out. See? 54 divided by 6 equals 9. So they know that 540 divided by 60, we can cross out our zeros and it's still the same answer. All right. So I'll do one more problem. Let me go ahead and erase this off the board for you guys, so we can get the next one on the board. Then we'll do a word problem, and then you guys can take it from there. Once again, attempting your best. I am not going to be upset if the math scores are not 80% or above for this practice buddy, because I'm not in here, obviously, to give you the best help that I can to learn this. So we're going to give it our best shot this way. I know the circumstances aren't great, but we can do this. So let's go ahead and crank out let's see here. What do I want to crank out? Let's do number 19. Oh, sorry, my hands are away. 4,322 divided by 81. Write it on the board. 43,000. Or 4,000. Is it 43 or 4,322 divided by 81. Okay. So 81, we already know that we want to make 80. I want to take 43,000 and make it divisible by 80. And 43,000 is close to, remember, 8 times 5 is 40. So I can take this and make it 40,000, so it'll be really easy on the eye. 40,000. We cross out the zeros that they will share. They both have 1 0 that we can cross off. So this becomes 400. This will come down to 400 divided by 8. So we know that 8 times 5 is 40. So then we just add that remaining 0, stick it right there. We're knowing that this would equal 50. Let's just double check ourselves. 80 times 50 equals what? 8 times 5 is 40. Add our 2 zeros. 0, 0. Oh, look, we're back here at 4,000. we get 4,000. So this will check out, and that's correct. So that's 2 examples. Let me do this so you guys can see all the methods of the madness, because I'm filming solo, obviously, with one hand on a marker and one hand on a phone here. So give me some grace, please. I understand this might be backwards, but you guys can understand. You guys are smart. I have faith in you. So now we're going to go to word problems. Let's go ahead. I don't want to do 23 like we did the last time, so we're going to try something a little bit different. Okay, let's do number 25. A company, sorry, this is in 5.2, by the way, in your math book online. It says a company purchased 3,128 bottles of water. Each department needs 55 bottles. To find compatible numbers to estimate the number of departments that can get the bottles they need, explain. All right, so we're gonna go back to the board. Erase our previous stuff. Grab an eraser. Keeping that whiteboard clean as possible. Back through here. What are their numbers again? 3,128. 3,128 divided by the 55 bottles. Okay, so let's make them compatible numbers. 50, I could either go 60 or 50 here. I might just go ahead and round up. It doesn't matter what you do because you'll get kind of the same answer. Since this is a 5, I'm gonna round up to 60. I'm gonna make this clean on my eyes. See that this could almost be 31. If you think about it, this will be go down to 30, and then we'll add our extra 0, so this will become 3,000. Cross out the sharing zeros. Divided by. So now I have 300. This turns into 300. This turns into just 6. We know that 30 divided by 6 would be 5. Add that remaining 0, stick it over right here. All right, so let's just go ahead and double check ourselves. 60 times 50 equals what? Well, let's find out. 6 times 5 is 30. Add our extra zeros. 1, 2, 3,000. So we get back to the square one problem of 3,000 divided by 60. These would both check out. Let me back up and show you. All right, same rules as apply as last time. So work with a partner, get your practice buddy completed, do your absolute best. We'll review this when we get back on Tuesday, so we're not left in the dust. Do your best. All I ask for your absolute best, get it done. Then once you're finished, please read or draw. That is not gonna be distracting to other groups. You may help out another group if they want help, if you did well on your thing. So, leave you guys to it. Be great for the sub that's in here today. I want you guys to be on your absolute best behaviors. No names left. If names are left, they're automatic off referrals, and I will be contacting your parents. So don't do that. Please don't make me do that. I don't want to do that, and I sure know that your parents don't want to hear from me when it comes to behavior. I'd rather tell them that you did something good. So make me tell your parents that you were good for the sub. There will be a reward. I'm sorry. So, I'm bad for dropping that. Have a great rest of your day. Get the practice buddies done. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow.